The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, has once again made history. On January 16, 2025, ISRO successfully performed its first-ever satellite docking in space as part of the Space Docking Experiment, also known as SPA-DEX. This monumental achievement marks India as the fourth nation in the world to demonstrate this highly sophisticated space technology, joining the ranks of the United States, Russia, and China. This groundbreaking milestone is more than a technological success. It's a leap forward for India's aspirations in space exploration. But what exactly is space docking? Why is it so important? And what does SPA-DEX mean for India and the global space community? Let's dive deep into this historic mission.
Namaskar, PSLV 360 SPA-DEX mission.
VLCC Roger.
Will be the first of its kind for India.
Space docking experiment called SPA-DEX
joins an elite club of spacefaring nations.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Space docking is the complex process of two spacecraft physically connecting while orbiting the Earth. While it may sound simple, achieving this requires advanced navigation, alignment, and precision. Imagine two vehicles trying to connect seamlessly while traveling at speeds of over 28,000 kilometers per hour in the vast emptiness of space. Docking is not just a technical achievement, it's a cornerstone for the future of space exploration. Here's why it matters: satellite servicing and refueling. Space docking allows for on-orbit maintenance of satellites. Aging satellites can be repaired or refueled, significantly extending their operational life and reducing space debris. Assembling space structures. Future space missions will require assembling large structures, such as space stations or next-generation telescopes, directly in orbit. Docking technology is essential for this. Deep space exploration. For missions to Mars, the Moon, or beyond, space docking is crucial. It enables spacecraft to be modularly assembled and facilitates the transfer of fuel, equipment, and even crew members. SPA-DEX is ISRO's maiden attempt to demonstrate the feasibility of docking two spacecraft in orbit. It consists of two primary components: the Chaser module. This spacecraft is equipped with cutting-edge sensors, cameras, thrusters, and docking mechanisms. Its purpose is to actively approach and dock with the target. The Target module. The Target is a passive counterpart designed to test the Chaser's docking capabilities. The docking process involves several intricate steps. First, the Chaser must locate the Target module in orbit. Using advanced sensors and onboard cameras, the Chaser analyzes its surroundings to ensure precise alignment. Once aligned, the Chaser gradually approaches the target. This phase requires extreme precision, as even a minor miscalculation can lead to failure. Finally, the two modules connect using docking mechanisms, creating a secure link between them. Each of these steps involves advanced technologies and navigation algorithms to account for factors like orbital speed, microgravity, and vibrations. The success of SPA-DEX demonstrates ISRO's mastery of these challenges. While SPA-DEX has now achieved historic success, the road to this milestone was anything but easy. ISRO faced numerous challenges, including technical complexities. Docking requires real-time control of two spacecraft in microgravity conditions. Achieving precise alignment and synchronization was a major challenge. Postponements. ISRO had to delay the docking trials multiple times to address complications and ensure absolute precision. However, these delays underscore ISRO's commitment to getting it right, rather than rushing into the unknown. The mission's success on January 16, 2025, is a testament to ISRO's perseverance, innovation, and expertise. By mastering space docking, India has solidified its position as a global leader in space technology. Here's what this means on a broader scale: global collaboration. With docking capabilities, India can now contribute more significantly to international projects like space stations or lunar exploration missions. Economic benefits. The ability to service and refuel satellites reduces the cost of launching new ones, making India a more competitive player in the commercial space market. Scientific exploration. The success of SPA-DEX sets the stage for more ambitious missions, such as interplanetary exploration and the development of space habitats. Space docking is a notoriously difficult technology to master. Even countries like the US and Russia faced multiple failures before succeeding. For ISRO, some of the key hurdles included relative motion, synchronizing two spacecraft in orbit while accounting for their relative velocities, microgravity conditions, ensuring the docking mechanisms work reliably in a zero-gravity environment, real-time navigation. The Chaser module had to autonomously calculate its path and make adjustments in real time. Despite these challenges, ISRO achieved success, further highlighting its engineering and scientific prowess. The SPA-DEX mission is just the beginning of India's journey into space docking technology. Here's what lies ahead. Scaling up docking missions. ISRO will refine its docking technology and apply it to more advanced missions involving larger modules and human-rated spacecraft. Satellite servicing programs. India could develop dedicated missions for refueling and repairing satellites, reducing space debris, and lowering costs. Collaborative space projects. With SPA-DEX, India is better positioned to collaborate with other nations on space stations, lunar missions, and deep space exploration. ISRO's long-term vision includes using this technology to support interplanetary missions, assemble telescopes in orbit, and even develop habitats for human space exploration. ISRO's SPA-DEX mission is a landmark achievement that places India among the elite nations capable of space docking. It signifies a major step forward for the country's space program, opening up a world of possibilities for future exploration and collaboration. But this is just the beginning. As of now, ISRO is addressing the challenges and complexities that arose during the mission to perfect its docking capabilities. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on ISRO's remarkable journey. Subscribe to our channel and join us in exploring the incredible advancements in space exploration.